What's up, guys? It's Christian, and I'm finna prank Caleb, my brother. He's asleep, and it's 3:06. I'm finna do this annoying sound right on. Hold on, let me set the camera up. He's not in this room. He in the living room, so I had to come in here. I'm trying to find the annoying one. You might hear my brother.
Oh my bro, with real loads of phone. I'm finna go. You stay in here.
No, I'm finna do something.
Nah, you stay in here. Huh?
I'm finna prank Caleb.
Oh. Never mind, my brother.
So we're finna do it, guys. He's not a deep sleeper, guys. Prank time. Pranks is coming on his channel, my channel. They coming back to back. I know I look rough, but it was a He's a prank. He mad. But anyway, guys, that's all I had for today, planned for today. So I just want you guys, I just wanted to prank him because he been sleeping like that for the rest of these 2 weeks. So I get up around 1, 2. So I always get up for him. Yesterday he got up at 4 something. So I'm like, how you gonna do that if I told myself after a while you're gonna have to prank him. I'm gonna prank him. So prank's coming. Steady pranking him. I'm gonna keep pranking him. And once we hit 30 subscribers, we gonna be in there. But get this video to 100 likes. So, and I want you guys to know that I'm about positive vibes and positive vibe only. So let's keep them positive vibes and keep all the negative to yourself if you got negative vibes. So guys, I'm finna go get in the shower and I'll see you. I might do another video. We might do a challenge. I don't know. Today is June 21st, Thursday. So we might do a challenge, but I don't know. Well, I might prank him again. I might prank anybody. But we got to spray paint. We gonna spray paint my mom's car. And I want you guys to see that, so it's coming.